Hello everyone, welcome to my channel #masalachai, adding that perfect spice to your life. Today, I have decided to prepare mango chia seeds pudding, another variant of my most favorite healthy chia pudding. Summer is round the corner, so when we go to the market, we all love to buy mangoes. Let's give the mangoes a healthy twist. Let's quickly check the ingredients without further delay. Honey 1 tablespoon, chia seeds 6 tablespoons, coconut milk or any other milk 250 ml. Here I am using 200 ml first. Vanilla essence 1 tablespoon, 3 ripe mangoes. Make 1 mango into pulp. One quick tip, do not go overboard with the honey as we are using sweet mangoes. First things first, let's add the chia seeds. Then goes the mango pulp of 1 mango. Add 200 ml coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of honey. Add vanilla essence 1 tablespoon. Give it a good mix. Let this rest in the fridge for 7 to 8 hours or overnight. This is the delicious mango chia pudding after getting soaked overnight. Additionally, add around 50 ml milk and mix it really well. Let's serve it in a bowl. Add some freshly cut mango. Drizzle some honey, a layer of mango chia pudding, top it up with some fresh mango again, little honey on top, garnish with some chopped pistachios. Now serve and enjoy this yummy mango chia pudding. Hope you've already fallen in love with this simple recipe. Please treat yourself and your loved ones with this simple, easy, healthy breakfast. And please like, share and subscribe to #masalachai.